With the Hustler TX T05, it does improve our performance. Recovery time on the paddocks was a lot faster than with a ring feeder. Hi, my name's Aaron Whiffen. We live on the south coast of Narooma. We have a small beef herd of about 50 breeders of Speckle Park and Angus. We feed 3 bales to different parts of the herd, usually 2 to 3 days a week, mainly in the winter time. We run a TX 205 chainless Hustler. We bought that on the south coast from our local supplier. We haven't had any problems with it. The best thing about it is being chainless, that there's not much degrees and not much maintenance to do on it, so it's very good. We use our chainless feed out wagon for feeding our stock, and the best thing about it is we can go to any pork, like we've got a bit of poor country, we can put the feed out, so if there is any excess wastage, that's benefiting the paddocks. It does improve our performance. It lets the calves get to the feed without just having the mothers surrounded like you have a ring feeder. It lets all the animals be able to get their full amount of feed, which is good. And like I said, the recovery time on the paddocks was a lot faster than with a ring feeder. With the Hustler TX T05, we save a lot of bales, but it's also the capability of just being able to put out what we want, depending on if it's going to rain or not. You can just put enough out just for them to eat, and then put the machine away in the shed with the feed still on it and it not getting spoiled, so it does save in that way too. Definitely would recommend Hustler. I've recommended Hustler to my mates and my family members, which have also invested in a Hustler feed out wagon after seeing how it works on our farm. So they very much recommended them as well. So stand by that machine very, very much.